Hey family, welcome to a beautiful day in Florida, and get ready for my version of a recipe. First, I took the wild rice. Supposedly this rice is a grass, the raw community is saying, and it is raw. So I took the amount of rice that I wanted to eat and I soaked it for over 24 hours. And then I also put it in the sun out on the back lanai. It helped to make it soft and white here like you see it. While all that was going on, I soaked my mushrooms in cocoa aminos and coconut water overnight. Now for the miso soup. I got this idea from Raw Vegan Laura. Here is the general idea. The only thing I did differently was I changed out one of the cups of distilled water. I changed it out for coconut water, and my other cup was Berkey filtered water. I did not have ginger on hand this day, so I just skipped it, but I did use curry, a few shakes of curry powder, and you could skip cayenne, it's up to you. I think I used a dash of cayenne. Here is the organic chickpea miso paste that I used, and if I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of this in the recipe, it means I'm definitely eating this over 2 different days. And bonus, there's some probiotic properties to this. I like to add hemp hearts to this soup. I did about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half for extra non-inflammatory protein. What it looked like after I blended the miso paste, the waters, the hemp hearts, and the spices that I wanted to use. I went Thai curry with this one. I poured it over the wild rice, and I added frozen peas. I added the cocoa amino mushrooms, some red pepper to it, and I also warmed it up to touch.
And this is the cilantro, green onion, spinach, arugula mix going in. And just a little garnish of avocado there in the center. It's the Slim Cato Florida avocado variety. And voila.
And it's super yummy. You can do the soup on its own, of course. You could do the rice on its own with different ingredients, different veggies, whatever you're feeling. This is just wonderful flavors when you just need something different, and you can make it as hearty as you like. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked this video, please hit like and check out all my courses below and what I have going on. Blessings.